a task that I have on the road is finding a place to exercise my greyhounds. Fortunately, greyhounds are very innately lazy. They're very, very lazy. However, they're fast, which is why they're raced. And they only run for about 30 seconds and then they're done for about 2 days. They do need regular walking. But to give them some running exercise, it's a bit of a task in every place that I go to find somewhere to run them. I can't take them to dog parks because they have high prey drives. And so I like to seek out baseball fields. Right now I'm in Williams. I'm at the middle school baseball field. And there's also another park here that I found, a tiny park, and it has a fence, so I've ran them in there. And other places, I mean baseball fields, fairgrounds, these are all places you can investigate. And because they only run for a short time, I come, let them off, they run, and I scoop them up and leave. Because usually there's signs that say, no dogs. And the sign here actually says, dogs, please tell your owners to not walk them in child areas. Unfortunately, it doesn't say no dogs. It just says a sign to tell your dogs, or for your dogs to tell you. So my dogs haven't told me to not walk them here, so I think it's okay. But I'm going to let them run, sniff, pee, and scoop them up and take them out of here before anybody comes. Also, tennis courts and basketball courts, those are other great spots. I've definitely used 1 or 2 tennis courts before, and most of them have doors, so they're all fully closed in. The other great thing about tennis courts is it'll file your dog's nails down so they won't be as sharp. Another strategy for taking your dogs to, not really dog designated places is to do it really early in the morning or really late at night. Obviously, on a weekend if no one's going to be there, or a weekday if no one's going to be there. And I just want to note that I always pick up after my dog. Always. And I hope you do too. Way out, let's see, north of Flagstaff, north and I guess west. And I used to work out here on this property. I worked for the Arizona State Land Department, and I did a bunch of surveying, and I even wrote up a report. And there was this one area that had like a bunch of petroglyphs and stuff, but we had to mark it as confidential. I'm trying to find it because I wanted to show Bobby, and unfortunately can't find that, and he's getting annoyed. I'm like, oh, maybe it's at the next bend, So I guess you'll see in a few minutes watching the video if we find it or not, but we're almost at the point of turning back. But it's so pretty. You can see the San Francisco peaks behind us. Flagstaff is back that way. And unfortunately right now the forest is closed, so we can't even go up to the top of the mountain or on any of the forest roads. But it's still a nice area out here. Here we are at Arizona, and the houndies in the back are really excited, or we hope so. Chase loves barking at the cows and horses on the side of the road, and Pearl likes anything that moves, so can't wait to see. I'm most excited to watch how the dogs get excited. So we're first coming across the Rocky Mountain goat area. Daisy, Pearl, look who's outside. Who's outside, guys? What is that? Pearl sees him. Chasey, do you see the goats?
Out back.
He's looking out back.
Guys, look. What's over there? Go look over there.
Pearl sees him.
Pearl, do you see the reindeer? What do you think of the reindeer? what is that right there? Pearl, who's out there? Look at that. I think she doesn't care.
She doesn't care.
Just
Chase does.
Chase does. Chase sees them in the back. Look at that face. Haha, he sees them. The American burro is next. You can see him way over there in the shade.
It's an ass.
It's the American ass.
Pearl's smiling.
Pearl's loving it. Look at a little cheater chatter jaw. There we see some tundra wolves. Just chillaxing in the shade. She wolf. Taking a piss. And she's off. She definitely sees them. Is that Pearl?
Chasey. Chase, look at this. Chase, look.
Chasey, look at the wolf.
Over here. Over here, look.
This side, Chasey.
Over here. Over here, Chasey, over here.
Now they both see them. Look at those faces. Tundra wolves. Before we came here, Bobby and I were discussing whether we thought that the goats and whatnot would be all together with the wolves and the bears. And we were thinking that if they were together, they could hunt them and it would be like mental stimulation. But they've got these what do you call those cattle guards in between each exhibit. So there's no hunting and mental stimulation of this sort.
I just want to see a dinosaur.
Yeah. Arctic wolf. Hanging out in Arizona. Oh, poor guy. Are you hot?
He's sitting in the sun.
He's sitting in the sun, though, you know.
He's like, this is so much better than my homeland. I was freezing over there. Going back to the truck looking for food?
Yeah.
Okay, what's wrong with this picture?
His windows and doors aren't closed.
And what's in the background?
And then you got the bears in the background.
Those must be union bears. They're on a union lunch break right now.
Look at the cuties. That was hot. He's panting.
Go around this loop.
Wait, stop here. Jason Pearl, look who's out here.
I'm not allowed to stop guys going.
Oh, who's doing that?
The guy right there that says, has a sign that says keep moving.
Oh, really? Jason Pearl, look who's that. Pearl, who is that? Whoa, Chasey, look. Chase sees him. Oh my gosh. Look, he's coming up to the car. Look, Chase is very excited now.
It's all out in the open.
Look at all those here, stop for a second.
I can't stop.
Look at all the ravens panting. Pearl, out here, look at these guys. Go slow at least. Man, look at all the ravens hanging out with them.
They know it's feeding time for them. They're gonna go out there and get some of their chow. Looks like orange peel or something out there.
Yams.
Oh.
Or sweet potatoes or something. Man, look at all the crows right there. Or ravens. Well, the bear exhibit is clearly the best one. The other exhibits had like, what, 2 to 4 animals each.
Yeah, they were hot.
But the bears are pretty cool. So there's some white bison here. Daisy, who is just out here? Who is that?
He's an emotional overload here.
Yeah, he is. The white bison, Chasey. Look at that guy. For anybody who watches The Office, I can't help but think of that episode where I can't remember their names. What's the main guy that's always teasing the other guy? Well, he's trying to pretend to be him, right? He goes to the office and he's wearing like the yellow kind of shirt and the tie, so he looks just like that guy. And he's got his hair all pinned down. And oh god, what is his name?
I forgot.
And he's like, you can't be like me, you know, stop being like me. Identity theft. And then the other guy's like, beets, bears, Battlestar Galactica. And the guy gets so pissed because those are like his favorite subjects. Beets, bears, Battlestar Galactica. Big brown bison. Beets, bears, Battlestar Galactica. Big brown bison. Daisy, just who is that? Who is that? What? Oh my gosh, that's awesome. I got that on video. He's like, get away from me. You ate my peanut butter.
It's bad enough I have all these birds. These ravens are huge.
Yeah, they are. Here's top. What's he doing?
He's trying to get close to that food.
Oh.
I think that's a female in front of him. He's slowly sneaking up to get to that food.
God, look how much he's shedding. So is that one. That one's taking a look at it. He's like,
It's fine.
Look, as that one's over there, this one's over here coming up to the food.
Still chasing.
My goodness. Huh. And now this one wins. Siesta in the tree. Well, that was fun, and neat to see some of the animals. Definitely recommend. So we drove around twice. You're allowed to drive around as many times as you want. And the first time we went, everything was kind of sleeping except the bears. And then the second time we went, everything was up and walking around except the bears. So it was nice to get those 2 rounds in because the bears were so much more interesting on the first go around, and then the second go around, everything else was more awake. So that was fun to do.
Beets, bears, Battlestar Galactica.